Welcome to Desabo's Interactive Guides. How to restore backups using JetBackup 5 in cPanel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to restore backups using JetBackup 5 interface in cPanel. JetBackup is a tool available in your cPanel which provides a powerful set of backup and recovery solutions. Our systems have been fully automated to create remote, off-site backups for you, making this process super easy. We take daily off-site backups around midnight of your data and store them up to a certain number of days based on your hosting plan. JetApps recently released JetBackup 5 to the Edge tier. This release summarizes core bug fixes, plugin updates, additional features, and some GUI updates. Let's go. Log into your cPanel. Once you've logged in, scroll down through your cPanel and find the Files section, then open JetBackup 5. Once JetBackup 5 opens, click the Restore icon on the left side. The Backups modal will open. Choose the backup date you want to restore from the drop-down menu beneath the created column. Then click Restore. You will be presented with a list of items to restore. To restore everything that is part of a cPanel account, leave all of these selected, then click Restore Selected Items. The selected account will be queued for restoration. You will see a success notification in the top right corner. However, unlike a download, a restore takes place behind the scenes. To check the status of the restore, you'll need to open the queue. Click the queue icon, which is the last icon from the row of tools on the left side. Once the queue is open, you will see a list of tasks. As you can see from the list below, the restore I requested in the previous step has already been completed.